we're going to be making an absolute staple of any good barbecue, a Chipotle Mayonnaise. And the best way to do it is in a small blender. So take your blender, and to the blender, we want to chuck in a couple of egg yolks. Along with the egg yolks, we want to go in with a teaspoon or two of Dijon mustard. At this point, we want to juice a lemon. So take a nice lemon, chop it in half, and squeeze out all of the juice, either straight into the blender or into a juicer. Pour in a nice splash of your lemon juice. Also go in with a couple of capfuls, or a tablespoon roughly, of our white wine vinegar, and then start to blend, and we need to slowly start incorporating our sunflower oil to make our basic and delicious mayonnaise. So give it a blend, add a touch of your sunflower oil, keep checking and tasting the mixture, keep adding oil as you need, and once you've got a really nice mayonnaise with all the flavours on point and a good mayonnaise consistency, go in with your chipotle paste. You can add as much chipotle as you wish depending on how spicy you like it. I would say go in with a couple of teaspoons and see how you get on, and then adjust it to your taste. Make sure you give your mayonnaise a really good season with sea salt. Blend the chipotle through and it will go beautifully orange, amazing colours, a bit like a romesco sauce. Give it a taste, make sure you're happy, and if you are, there we have a great homemade Chipotle mayonnaise.